听到人讲伊无爱甲伊的囡仔讲台语，因为惊伊后摆学英语的时阵发音学袂标准。Some parents don't want their kids to learn Taiwanese because they're worried that speaking Taiwanese might hinder them in English pronunciation. 我听你咧唱歌咧 ，That is pure bullshit. 你若是即款爸母，你应该甲你的囡仔回息咧，因为对因来讲，真不幸的事实是，若想要学英语甲其他的外国语言，台语囡仔的发音绝对是偏华语囡仔较正。Such unfortunate kids deserve apologies from their parents because being native in Taiwanese actually helps with your pronunciation when you learn foreign languages. I mean, just look at me. 看我伫你面头前，三种语言拢讲会成，安尼若阁无明证，煞落来听我说分明。If this is not enough for you, here are some more proofs. 本土语言是发音方式的宝库，头一项。入声，入声是啥物？你先免管，只有一句英语，叫恁兜的囡仔来念看卖。Please sit in a seat， 意思是讲，请坐即位，足简单的对无？试看卖连续念5解。Sit in a seat, sit in a seat, sit in a seat, sit in a seat, sit in a seat。大部分的华语囡仔拢会甲伊念做 sit in a seat， 是安怎？就是因为因头壳内底根本就无入声这个概念。入声就是一个字的发音爱短短啊，就甲缩起来。那拖长就走对别字去哦。参像拄则的 sit 甲 seat， 发音缩短拖长是无共字、无共意思。华语的世界内底根本就无即回事。你看伊雾雾，伊看你噗噗。毋过台语囡仔就啥拢有，理所当然拢毋免问老师。比如咱来讲即句：天顶星会死，涂骹人会死。死甲死就是相像的发音缩短拖长，煞来变做无共字，叫一个台语囡仔来甲伊试。sit 甲 sit，sit and sit， 念起来拢嘛真舒适。sit 甲 sit， 一声简单的代志，客话台语拢招避，偏偏华语胖唔见。哈法迪都按用版现人落去食晒喏，根本你安尼就来学叻机。sit 是 sit 是。从乜解 sit 老 sit， 对外讲客嘅声音来讲，听出係當簡單嘅事情。
sit and sit， 又按簡單。
那係搞唔清楚啊，佢就冇辦法顯認佢是事咧。Much like how sit and seat are different, a longer vowel can make the difference between to sparkle and to die in Taiwan Taiwanese, as well as the difference between to eat and shit in Taiwan Taiwanese. But in Mandarin, there's no such thing.
我要 beat and beat beat and beat。
本土语言是发音方式的宝库。第2款录音，逐个囡仔学英语头课拢会读即句，这是注册的意思，发音煞拢学爸母。就敢若上简单的即句，你敢知影？规台湾无几个英语老师念的标准。来，真足听哦，大家拢念做 This is a book， 唔对，爱念做 This is a book 才对。搁听一解哦 ，This is a book， 唔对 ，This is a book 才对。抑搁听无心。book book book 唔对 ，book book book 才对。你若到遮抑阁听无，可能较早你的英语老师嘛是黑白教，因为英语的 B 甲华语的 B 唔是共款的发音哦。即个音你若是教袂正，美国人凡世嘛也听有，毋过因随听随知影你是外国人。因为论真讲，英语内底即个 B 其实是一个录音。华语头壳无法度理解即个录音、即个发音的宝贝，就藏伫咱的本土语言内底。比如讲，军媒爱用文火，即是文就是一个录音，那清音就变做分火。你足熬的熬嘛是录音，那清音就变你足熬。这一切对台语囡仔来讲，拢嘛天生自然，华语囡仔煞啥拢无。若是英语、日本话、韩国话嘛，拢总有录音。华语囡仔来学着随拢拼，台语囡仔毋免学着会晓行。那毋信你叫一个华语囡仔来遮念看卖即5个日本话的卡呐，伊若是念会正，我头剁落来互伊做伊遐济，我嘛毋惊。即5个日本话的卡呐念起来是牙、语、牛、牙、五。Given the total absence of voiced consonants in their first language, Mandarin kids find it next to impossible to distinguish A's book from A's book. And that also gives them a very hard time pronouncing some Korean and Japanese phonemes, where Taiwanese-speaking kids are just naturals.
Good event.
我知影我即支影片播出来，一定足侪人甲我应安尼。 啊，话你讲话拢无影啦，阮兜4大人就是英语袂标准，迄一定是台语害的啦。你即款讲法也讲会通，照你即个理路，你敢知影？恁兜的囡仔近视是因为讲华语害的。Do not mistake the generational differences and blame Taiwanese。啊，敢毋是？咱的爸母言拢讲台语，拢无啥物人近视嘛。啊，即摆囡仔拢改讲华语，啊，近视就变遐济个。安尼敢毋是讲华语会害囡仔近视？讲到这，你就知影，近视是规个社会生活形态的改变，毋是华语害的。共款道理，咱顶沿的人英语讲袂标准，嘛毋是台语害的。你甲想看觅，较早恁母啊少年的时代，规台湾英语补习班有几间，啊，即摆又阁有几间。较早阮母啊读册线学了后，啊，阁爱甲厝邻斗做工课，有偌济时间通好练英语。甲即摆的囡仔敢会比哩？ Otherwise, the same shit logic would lead you to the conclusion that Mandarin is actually to blame for your kids being nearsighted, which is just as ridiculous as speaking Taiwanese means bad English. 总讲一句，若平平是现代2020的环境，你想要互恁兜囡仔学外国语言较轻松，互伊的发音平白的囡仔较标准，一个真好的办法，就是从细汉教你的囡仔讲咱的本土语言。因为甲碰见伤侪物件的华语比拼起来，咱的本土语言有影是发音方式的宝库。This is Ahua Sai, the Taiwanese pop-riser who refuses Mandarin, and I will see you next time. 按自说，努力，有你人，阿来。